This is the Osprey Robbie 3000 steam cleaner. It is a 2.5 kilowatt machine and its 2 litre water tank will give a constant flow of steam for about 90 minutes. It uses superheated steam and is ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, glass and mirrors, using no abrasives, no scrubbing and no chemicals, and water consumption is a fraction of the traditional cleaning methods. We supply it with a 2.5 metre long hose, a jet nozzle for cutting through dirt at close distance, a triangular shaped brush for mattresses, furniture and uneven surfaces, a squeegee for tiles, mirrors and windows, a floor tool and 2 extension tubes. So to get started, unscrew the filler cap by pushing down and turning in an anti-clockwise direction to the left. It'll take about 12 to 15 turns to get this cap off. The steam cleaner will heat the water itself. However, you can speed up this process by using a kettle of boiling water. Add the boiling water very carefully and slowly from the kettle. The steam cleaner has a 2 litre capacity and 1 large kettle should be sufficient. Dry steam contains only 5% moisture, hence you get about 90 minutes of steam from just 1 kettle. If you fill it with cold water, it'll take about 30 minutes to get up to temperature. With boiling water, it'll take about 15 minutes. Once full, screw the filler cap back onto the machine. Line it up and do not cross thread it. It should easily screw on by pushing down and turning in a clockwise direction to the right. If it does not screw on easily on the first turn, take it off and start again. Once the filler cap is fully screwed down and in position, plug the machine in. Do not run it off an extension cable of any kind. The lead on the steam cleaner is 4 meters long and must be plugged directly into a socket. Click the hose into the front of the machine. There are 2 buttons on the top of the machine. On the left is the boiler, on the right is the steam output. Push the 2 buttons in so they are both lit up. Now you'll have to wait about 15 minutes for the steam to get up to temperature and pressure. While waiting for the green bulb to light, indicating that the steam cleaner is at the required temperature and pressure, choose whichever attachment you want for the job. Once the bottom bulb is lit, you are ready to go. Squeeze the trigger and a jet of steam will be released from the hose through whatever attachment you find suitable for the job you're doing. So why hire a steam cleaner? Well, at approximately €1,000 to buy, this is not the type of steam cleaner you are going to purchase in your local hardware store. It produces a much higher temperature and a much higher pressure. So steam cleaning with this type of machine will save you time, as it's very quick and efficient. It'll save you money because there are no other chemicals needed for the cleaning job. It is very hygienic. There's no chemicals or water remaining on the surfaces you have just cleaned. And it'll kill 99.99% of all bacteria. It is a very natural form of cleaning with no scrubbing or scraping, just simply steam and wipe it away. And it's very versatile. Steam can be applied to a multitude of surfaces. Essentially, the list where dry steam can be used is only really limited to the user's imagination, and is also very environmentally friendly. Steam uses no cleaning agents and uses very low water consumption. So after about 90 minutes of use, the water level in the boiler will get low. The second bulb will light up on the top of the machine in orange. You'll have no more steam coming out, the tank is empty and will have to be refilled. Unplug the steam cleaner. With a damp cloth, unscrew the filler cap by pushing down and turning to the left in an anti-clockwise direction. Keep your head away as you take the filler cap off, as you might get a gush of steam coming out. Refill with water and away you go again. If you are having trouble and you're not getting any steam, there is a safety lever above the trigger on the handle. You may have pushed this forward. Or there is a knob on the top of the steam cleaner to the left of the filler cap. This is a steam regulator. Find the balance between the amount of steam you want and the pressure you want. In most cases, we advise this be turned fully in an anti-clockwise direction to the left and remain there.